think cooking is supposed to be a stressful process. I don't think it's supposed to be fun.
Yeah.
I'm kind of nervous, honestly. I don't like being unprepared.
So here's what we're gonna do. We need you to find from the Rily website a recipe
That best
describes you.
And I'm gonna cook it?
Yeah,
You're
and
gonna
then
cook
we're gonna go to the grocery store.
Oh, we're going to the grocery store, okay. Not a dessert. Desserts stress me out. I feel like something warming. Actually, white wine linguine with clams. I wonder if we should do pizza pockets. I feel like pizza pockets is more me. A lot of my cooking personally is like taking dishes I grew up with and making them, you know, not just very processed. Stellar Eats cheesy pizza pockets. 6 ingredients. Shouldn't be hard. We're gonna take Tina's recipe and make it our own. That's what we're gonna do. Guess where I'm going today? I'll give you one guess. It's my favorite place in the entire world. Bamboo fiber. If it says gourmet, you know you can trust it, right? This is the moment you find out that I'm a recipe developer, not a chef. I am not experienced at all with pizza. I'm sure that did nothing. Okay, let's use a knife. We're gonna use a knife and it's gonna be great. So some of these are gonna be a little bit bigger. It's a triangle so far. This is going better, I say as I rip it. First one, weird. Second one, I don't know. Third one, sort of okay. Fourth one, maybe acceptable. Guys, I'm just gonna be aggressive with one. This is not the oven. Did that work? And this one seems mad suspect. Just eyeball everything. You could wash your basil. I think they'll be great, as long as they don't explode. Just a prosciutto layer, tuck it in. This is the experimental one. I'm gonna shove as much cheese as I can into this one. It kind of resembles a pocket. Do we oil it before? No, that would be crazy. You wouldn't do that. Say a prayer. Look at her. Ow, it's so heavy. Ah. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna broil that shit. And then you just stand here and wait for it for like 1 minute, or else it'll burn terribly. Angel numbers. That's cute. That I feel good about. I'm definitely gonna burn this cutting board. I feel like it's not full enough. Look at that, it's empty. This needs a lot more, but we live and we learn. Needs way more filling, but it's good. The gourmet pizza sauce paid off, so. This one describes me.
The shame pocket.
The shame pocket. It's messy. It's probably like way too filled with sauce and cheese, but I have a strange feeling that this is gonna be the winner. Why cook it right the first time when you can just shove stuff in it afterwards? You don't need to look at this one. This one's weird. Sorry. That one's cute though. It needs to be brushed with olive oil. Brush it before you broil it. That's a calculator, not a clock. See, not enough cheese. You know what you could do? Shove a little cheese in there. This one I have crazy plans for. We're gonna do a cheese crust.
What does that mean?
We're gonna stuff the crust with cheese. I don't know how. Oh no! It opened. Looks delicious. And then we'll put cheese in it and it'll be totally fine and it definitely won't explode absolutely everywhere. And that one in the oven is definitely not burning as I speak. Okay, so if you're gonna brush it with more oil, only let it go in there for like 30 seconds. This is slowly turning into how can you use an entire ball of mozzarella. I'm just stabbing it now. These two might be the winners. My confidence as these have gotten worse and worse has gotten better and better for some reason. I don't really know what that mechanism is. That one looks decent. I feel like we could shove more cheese in there. Why make it correctly when you can fix it after the fact? It's a cheese fondue sauce pocket. Gotta broil it. Ah!
Oh my god.
Ah! This one might be good actually. Yeah. Oh no. Don't do that. Chef technique. This one just needs to be right. I'm gonna carry it around and put my blessings into it. I'm like getting weaker and weaker. That's perfect. I told you that was gonna be my child. This one is great. Look at this. It doesn't look like there's much like crust here. Like it looks like it's pretty full all the way. I don't know if I put basil in it. Oh god. This is like what cooking is, right? You get a little crazy in the kitchen and then it ends up being worth it because you end up with the perfect one. The lesson of all of today is that if you're worried about cheese exploding out, you can just shove more in afterwards.